It's a documentary. It's part of the Nada Dada adventure, and you guys are involved. I don't know if she's actually working there. That's the weird thing. Can you call that and see if Carla's there? Robin? See if Carla's in there. Don't. If she answers the phone, just hang up. I'm serious. We're just going to surprise her. Wait, I'm going to film. Hold on, David. I'm going to film these people eating.
Oh, non-kebab.
Indian kebab restaurant. Okay, are they looking at me filming? That guy's looking at me filming him. Look at that. He's actually watching me film him.
Yeah.
If Carla's not there.
Fucker. 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 Fucker.
Pasco. Brian Bird.
No way!
How's it going? I just snuck over here.
Hi!
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good to finally meet you.
What's going on?
Filming.
How long were you filming me? This is his next two for my
So what's your favorite piece besides the one that got destroyed?
My favorite piece would have to be...
You didn't
I know.
know I was going to come over and do this.
I
I'm
already
sorry.
know. It's not framed, my favorite piece.
Okay.
It's actually, I've used it as a profile picture of mine.
Okay. Getting some very good information here.
She's good. I'm a professional here. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, Sopranos.
This is an actual sweater that Tony Soprano wore on set.
Oh, what? This is?
That.
Oh.
He wore that on set.
Can we get that on film? Mm-hmm. Good.
So this little guy is very special because he not only wore this
Who?
in this show,
Who
Tony
did?
Soprano,
Mm-hmm.
but the shadow box itself was one of the first that we handmade here in the gallery. So the box itself is worth, I don't know, $1,500 to $2,000 because of the work and the materials that had to go into it.
Mm-hmm.
And so everything in here is suspended except for the sweater itself. It just kind of hangs and is loose, but
Okay.
everything else is very special to it. Everything's special edition. So it comes with the special edition Soprano poker chips.
Wow.
Very fun.
I'll have to get a zoom in then. So, do you have a framer here?
Yes, we do.
Oh.
My favorite, oddly enough, is probably one of the most simple pieces in the gallery. But when I saw it for the first time, I fell in love with it. I can't get it out of my head.
Wow.
This is a piece by an artist named Della Costa. And this artist did mostly figures again, really, really big close-ups of women's faces and things like this. And this one is really special because of the contrast between the black, white, and then this crazy pink, like, splashed in there. That's my favorite. Isn't it fun?
How much is that?
This one actually is $225.
Okay. Right on.